Dear students, welcome to my channel Maths by Meenakshi. Today I will teach you class 9 chapter 1st number system exercise 1.6. So the first question is find. We have to find the value of this 64 power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So how we will solve these questions? We have to remove this power, that is denominator 2. When you factorize the 64 number, you will get only prime number 2. So it can be written as 2 power 6. 64 can be written as 2 power 6 raising to power 1 by 2. In this question we will follow some identities that I will write with the questions. Now a power m raising to power n. When a number contains 2 powers or 3 powers, then both powers or 3 powers are multiplied. Means m and n will be multiplied and base will be the same. Here base is 2 and powers are 6 and 1 by 2. So powers will be multiplied. When we multiply these 2 powers, we will get 3. 3 into 1, that is 3. Now 2 power 3 is equal to 8. 2 cube is equal to 8. Second part is 32 power 1 by 5. Similarly, when you make the factors of 32, you will get only prime number 2. So you will get 2 5s, means 2 power 5 and raising to power 1 by 5. In this question we will follow again this identity, means a power m n, then a power mn. A is 2 and power 5 into 1 by 5. Now 5 cancelled, 2 power 1 is equal to 2. Second question. Now the third part is 125 power is 1 over 3. Now you will make the factors. 125 you will get only 5, and how many 5s you will get? 3 5s, that is 5 cube is equal to 125. Now raising to power 1 by 3. Similarly, in that way we will solve this question. These both powers are mn, both are multiplied. 3 into 1 by 3. Now 3 and 3 are cancelled. 5 power 1 is equal to 5. Now the first question is completed. Now question second is again find. First part is 9 power 3 by 2. Similarly, in first question we have used one identity, a power mn is equal to a power m into n. Similarly, that identity used in this question. Now when you will make the factors of 9, you will get only prime number 3. Now 3 square is 9. You will get 3, 2, 3, and now powers are 2 into 3 by 2. These both powers will be multiplied. That is 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. Second part is 32 power is 2 by 5. Now when you make the factors of 32, prime number will be 2. You will get 5 2s, that can be written as 2 power 5 raising to power 2 by 5. Again these both powers will be multiplied. 5 and 5 are cancelled, so it is 2 square. 2 square means 4. Now the third part is 16 power 3 by 4. Now again 16, when you factorize 16 you will get only prime number 2. You will get 4 2s, that is 2 power 4 raising to power 3 by 4. Now again powers will be multiplied. 4 and 4 are cancelled. Now 2 cube is equal to 8. Now the fourth part is 125 raising to power minus 1/5. When power is negative, then number is written in the reciprocal form, that is 1/125 raising to power 1/5. Now 125 can be written as 5 cube into 1/5. Sorry, the statement is 3. Now these 3 are cancelled. We will get here 1/5 power 1. The answer is 1/5. Now this second question containing 4 parts is completed. Now the third question is simplify. Now in these question we will learn more identities. First question is 2 power 2/3 into 2 power 1/5. Into dot means multiply. When the sign is multiply and base are same, then powers are added, and you can write side by side identities. A power m into a power n. Base are same, powers are different, and sign is multiply, then base will be same and powers will be added. Now base is 2 and powers are 2/3 plus 1/5. Then taking 3 of LCM of 3 and 5, that is 15. 15 divided by 3, 5. 5 2s the 10. 15 divided by 5, 3. 3 1s the 3. And you are getting here 10 plus 3, 2 power 13/15. Now 2 is prime number, it cannot be factorized. This is the answer of first part. Now the second part is 1/3 cube raising to power 7. Now you can write here 1 power 7, 3 power 3 into power 7. You have learned this identity in question first and second. A power m raising to power n is equal to a power m n. Now 1 power 7 is 1 and 3 power 3 multiply by 7. Now answer is 1/3, 3 7s are 21. Now 3 is prime number, it cannot be factorized. This is your answer. Now the second part is completed. Now the third part. Now third part is 11 power 1/2 divide by 11 power 1/4. When base are same, powers are different and sign is divided, then the identity that will be followed by us am over a power n. Now a power m minus n. When sign is multiplied, then both power are added. When sign is divided, then both power are subtracted. Now the base is 11. Both powers will be subtracted. 1/2 minus 1/4. Now the LCM of 2 and 4, that is 8. 8 divided by 2, 4 1s the 4. 8 divided by 4, 2. 4 minus 2, 2/8. Both are cancelled. Now this is 11/4. Again 11 cannot be factorized as it is prime number, so the answer is 11 raising to power 1/4. Now the last question is fourth part. 7 power 1/2 into 8 power 1/2. In this question, base are different and power is same. When power is same, power can be written one time and base are multiplied. Means if a power m into b power m, power is same, base are different, then both base will be multiplied. Means a into b power m. Base are 7 and 8, that is 7 into 8, power is 1/2. 8 7s the 56. power 1 by 2. Now 56 will not give only prime number 2, so it cannot be solved more than this. Now this question is completed. Fourth part of third question. With this question exercise 1.6 is completed. Now the chapter first of class 9th is completed in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more video.